Well, I have a suggestion for you.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, you can put it into 3 different jars.
Well, why?
Well, Elmo, it's a great way to learn about money. In one
This is an emergency. Do not turn off your TV. Do not go outside. Do not look out any windows. Do not look at the sun. The SCP Foundation has now allowed the government to reveal itself to the public. The SCP Foundation is a private organization that's sole purpose is to protect the public from possible major threats that could result in an end of the world scenario. At this time, SCP-001 has taken place. It has taken the form of the sun. Looking at SCP-001 is fatal. An estimated billion people will die from SCP-001.
Come outside. Everything is fine. SCP-001 has been neutralized and it is now safe to go outside.
Why not open your windows and look outside?
This station has been compromised by SCP-001. Do not allow any persons who are outside to enter your residency.
Your government is lying to you.
You can't just abandon people. They won't hurt you. Let us inside.